I'm Phil Goodwin, Director of Biocheck UK. We develop and manufacture testing kits for food, clinical diagnostics and other applications. I never planned to start my own business. It was, if you like, thrust upon me, but when I first did it a few years ago, it was very liberating to be the master of your own destiny, as it were. The Welsh Government have given us a grant to upgrade our manufacturing machinery, to automate and increase capacity, and they've also given us a really good market research program which has helped make sure that we get the right products at the right time into the market. The market research has allowed us to change the order of priority of our product development. We had a list of products we thought we wanted to manufacture, and what that's done is kind of turned that on its head a little bit and given us a new order of play for the products that we want to get into the market. I don't think there's any good time or bad time. I think if you have a good idea and you've got a bit of push to see it through, I think you can make a business. I don't think you can say it's a bad time, we're in a recession, because if you've got a good idea and it fits the market, as I think our products do, I think it's the right time. I think to be an entrepreneur, start your own business, you've got to be a jack of all trades and master of some. You've got to know your business and what you're trying to do very well, but you've also got to knuckle down and get on with everything that needs doing on a day-to-day basis in a small business.